Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Dakota. I'm with Cactus Computers. This is our YouTube build channel. We're going to be showing you guys the assembly process of this build that we're doing here today. It's going to be a special build. We're doing a Ryzen 5 5600X as well as a Corsair case. We're going to be doing a Strix motherboard. We got a Gigabyte 2080. It's going to be an all-white setup. We've been testing a few different video formats on the channel, so let us know what you think. Drop a comment below, hit subscribe if you're not already. We're going to be releasing a bunch of content week after week. For this build, we're going to jump right into that build process. So you'll see us assemble the motherboard, get it in the case, get all the components in, and then we'll fire this thing up and show you how this setup looks. completed. We're gonna do our first fire up right now. So we'll turn on our power supply. You can see the NZXT AIO already kicking on. Super sweet CPU cover that you can customize in the NZXT CAM software. And we'll go for that first fire up. Power button up top. Ba-bam! We'll get our startup screen here in a moment, but you can see the Corsair SLs already starting up with that RGB. There it is. This will take us into BIOS, and we'll show you guys the whole build now. Guys, that is going to finish up today's build video. We're going to show you the peripherals another day, but for now we have the white Corsair 4000D all built out with the Ryzen 5 and our 2080 graphics card. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think about this all white build. I'm sure you saw some of the custom wrap stuff in there. We love doing special stuff like that for our customers. If it's something that you're interested in, reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, cactuspcaz.com. Let us know what kind of computer you're interested in, and we can put together a build sheet, send it over to you, and kind of go from there with it. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.